there is an inherent satisfaction in knowing your critical cuts and alignments will be consistently perfect every single time. It is a feeling of quiet confidence that elevates every project. This system seamlessly integrates into your workflow, transforming what could be intricate, challenging tasks into an intuitive, assured process, which means your craftsmanship evolves with newfound accuracy and fluidity. It bridges the gap between conventional methods and truly precise, repeatable results, fostering growth in your capabilities. And because it is endlessly flexible, this singular template adapts to hundreds of uses, which means you are not confined by traditional limitations, allowing for a boundless exploration of design and function. And it delivers precision exactly where you need it, ensuring that every cut, every inlay, and every edge detail meets the most exacting standards, which means your finished pieces possess a crisp, professional quality that speaks volumes of your dedication. And whether you are undertaking delicate hardware installation, crafting intricate inlays and bow ties, or perfecting cabinetry and edge detailing, this system quietly provides the foundational accuracy required because it effectively eliminates the guesswork, empowering you to focus purely on the creative vision and execution. It quietly reminds you that true mastery in craftsmanship begins with unwavering precision and the right, intelligent tools that truly support your ambitions. It subtly encourages you to take on more complex projects, knowing the fundamental accuracy is always at your command. I put the link below so you can check the current price.